In this video, we are going to look at how to remove the green screen using DaVinci Resolve. Starting, I have a clip here and I want to add a green animated YouTube subscribe button to it. So what I'm going to do, I have the clip here, so I'll drag it over to my timeline around there. Then I'll click on this one so that I can just size it. Select it, then I'll resize it. And place it over here. So that is the button. Now what I'm going to do is go to the effects, then down here scroll down, click on open FX. Once you do that, then click on the search icon up there and search for 3D Kia. This is it. Click on it and drag it over to this clip. So once that is done, now we click on this drop down arrow here and select open FX overlay. Make sure that this is the selected clip. Now the sidebar here, go to effects and then click on this icon, then come over to this and click on the green part like that. Now you see all the green part has been removed, but there are some green surroundings around this. So what we'll do, scroll down here, then when you see disappear, drag this over to the right until you're satisfied with the look. So that is it, and now you have successfully removed the green screen like that. So that is it. Hope you found that insightful. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel.